joining me today is one of our favorite designers, of course. She's the star of Stay Here. It is a show that's currently streaming on Netflix. We'll talk about that in a minute. But she's also a newlywed, and she got married in Morocco. So we're going to do a Morocco theme to all of her tips today. This is our good friend. You know her, Genevieve Gorder. You know, I took my sister for her 50th birthday. All of her life, all she wanted to do was go to Morocco. So our whole family went there, and we fell in love with Morocco. Very beautiful, romantic place. So perfect for a wedding. And you married a fellow designer.
How can I help myself?
Right.
You know, Morocco's like on everyone's bucket list, it seems. And this was a very well-traveled group, but I found like 99% of them had never been there, and it's one of my most favorite places in the planet. I design a lot of people's homes with a lot of things influenced from this part of the world. So we took 50 people and we went to Marrakesh and we had one hell of a party. That's John Gidding.
That's John. Our friend John Gidding, who is yet another designer.
He's my best friend, and he also married me
Yay.
In Morocco, which was pretty beautiful.
I mean, you want to start here or down here?
Let's start here. So I think, first of all, we built this, as you can see in some of these pictures, we built this almost city in the middle of the desert, and it was just layered rugs. And layered rugs seduce anybody, regardless of what their style is. Once you start doing this, it becomes cozy. Lower seating, soft seating, instead of the bar table and the high chairs. This is another way to do it.
Especially for those of us that were born rather low to the ground. Gorgeous.
So
this is your actual table from your wedding feast?
This is from the wedding feast. I think there were 10 feasts in all. I'm not even a wedding girl at all. I don't care about a lot of the traditional stuff. I love family, I love heritage, but I just really want to throw a great party,
right.
And that's what I think a successful wedding should be. So we're in the middle of the desert. What do you want to use? I'm not going to import flowers. And even if I was here, I wouldn't do it either.
Right.
I'd rather buy a house.
Spices and the ingredients of the region.
Use what's
They have the
available.
best oranges in the world.
I can't.
My God.
I can't. And they were growing everywhere. And so I did have I want to just preface, I had a wedding planner. I didn't do this. Matthew Robbins, incredible. He's here in New York. He did all of this.
Beautiful.
But I said, use what's there. In the Riyadh where we were staying, it's pomegranates, it's limes, it's citrus. Use that. It costs you nothing, and people can take it home. It's beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yes.
I really like the bracelet thing. That's
Well,
very clever.
I didn't even think of it as being a thing until everyone at the party had the bracelets on. They had the beads. They're throwing spices in the air. It was a big deal.
and it's a party favor.
It's a party favor, and they all remember your wedding by
And it
these
becomes
things.
a party favor.
It's not a bell, people. You know how people give away bells? It's like, John and Linda, I may not want to ring that in my own home later, but a bracelet, I'll
You're
wear.
not John or
I'm
Linda.
not John or Linda.
That's very pretty.
Okay, so the bouquet, again, an extra piece of traditional that is so lovely, and I wanted to honor that. But we're in the middle of the Sahara. Don't bring me lilies.
Right, not a lot of lilies growing in the Sahara.
It's actually like a tumbleweed and whatever dried berries they could find in the sand. So dry flowers is an option. And I want to remind you that, again, floral is so fickle. It will die the next day, and usually you're on your honeymoon. This can easily become a centerpiece that you use for many, many days, and it costs nothing.
Ooh. Every florist in America is going to write me.
Sorry, flower industry.
We'll do only things with fresh flowers next time. Thank you, honey. Congratulations.
Love you.
Love you too.